I'm innocent, still proven guilty.
And nothing but the truth. So help me God. Your Honor, number 83982, Corporal Samson Osamba, currently attached to DCI Nakuru East, performing general investigations. Your Honor, before you, I'm investigating a case of forging stamps and making documents without authority. Your Honor, the county government of Nakuru had reported several cases concerning fake issuance of receipts and letters. Here in Nakuru East raided an office at Highway Tower, first floor, room number 105, occupied by the respondents. Your Honor, upon search, a total of 54 stamps in impression instruments packed in a bag hidden in a dustbin were recovered. 5 approved structural drawings and 19 approved architectural drawings with suspected forged stamps impressions. A laptop, desktop, and a hard disk were also recovered and all treated as exhibits. Your Honor, the stamp impressions instruments recovered bearing the names of Nakuru West Sub-County, Naivasha Sub-County, Gilgil Sub-County, Rongai Sub-County, Bahati Sub-County, Subukia Sub-County, Njoro Sub-County, and other departments within the counties. Your Honor, there is need to visit all the 6 sub-counties, bury the stamp impressions recovered to get the specimens and recording of statements. Your Honor, the stamp instruments recovered and the specimen which will be taken from all the sub-counties and departments within Nakuru County will be subjected to forensic examination. Your Honor, the respondents were arrested on 22nd July 2023 and booked at Central Police Station by OB 93/22/7/2023. Your Honor, I'm humbly praying to this court to allow me to detain the respondents for 14 days at Central Police Station to complete the investigations. Your Honor, the reason the respondents' place of abode are not known, thus being released before investigations are completed might affect the investigations as they are flight risk. Your Honor, and also given the nature of the offense, investigation into the matter cannot be completed within the required 24 hours rule. Your Honor, the respondents are also flight risk. So I'm humbly requesting this court to allow me to detain the respondents for 14 clear days to complete my investigations, Your Honor.
Unless there are compelling reasons not to be released. the cardinal principle within which the court should consider is in whether to grant bond is whether the accused will turn up for trial and whether there are substantial grounds to believe that he is likely to abscond if released on bail. Bail should not be denied on flimsy grounds, but on real and cogent grounds that meet the high standards set by the Constitution. The accused persons are citizens of Kenya, national identity cards. As they were recording their statements, their place of abode was stated in their statements. The first accused person resides at Shabab. The second accused person resides at Mwareki, within the jurisdiction of this court. The specimens, the alleged specimens which were taken from the offices of the accused persons are in the custody of the investigating officer. Therefore, the accused persons do not have any access to them. The witnesses that have been referred to have not been stated. Therefore, there is no way for this court to know which witnesses the accused persons will interfere with. The accused persons will not interfere with the investigating officers' investigations as pertaining to the visits that were mentioned. The accused persons are reasonable family men with wives and children. They have a fixed abode which they will not leave until this case is heard and determined, or if a formal charge is pursued against them. They are ready to cooperate with the investigating officer whenever they are required. I therefore humbly pray that the accused persons be released and or admitted on reasonable bail and bond terms, pending a formal charge, hearing, and final determination of this matter. That is all.
As highlighted in the supporting affidavit, as I make reference to that Article 49(1)(h), which despite the fact that the accused person has to be either released on bond or reasonable cash bail, the same articles give the prosecution or the investigator, with the permission of the court, Your Honor, to have the suspect be remanded. So long as there are compelling reasons to do that, Your Honor. And among the reasons given by the investigator, we have the issue of the flight rescue owner. And the issue of the respondents interfering with the witnesses. That's all.
Charles Nyambok and Simon Maina. This is the brief ruling. I've carefully considered the matters raised by both the prosecuting and defense counsel. In the application dated 24th of July, seeking to have the suspects detained in custody for 14 days to enable the police conclude investigations. I note that the suspects were arrested 3 days ago, and an additional 3 more days, in my view, will have accorded the police ample time to conclude the investigations. I'm therefore inclined to allow the police 3 more days to finalize investigations into the matter. Accordingly, I do hereby order that the suspects be detained at Nakuru Central Police Station for 3 more days to enable the police finalize investigations into the matter. You can mention the matter in 3 days' time. Yeah? 20?